Every high-performance hydraulic pump starts with precision components. Here are all the essential parts required to assemble an A10VSO hydraulic piston pump. From the housing, cylinder block, pistons, valve plate, drive shaft and bearings, to every seal and small internal component, each part is carefully selected and thoroughly inspected. We maintain a large inventory of A10VSO spare parts to support fast delivery and reliable service worldwide. Now, let's begin the assembly process. Every component is installed according to strict technical standards. Our experienced technicians ensure precise positioning, proper clearances, and accurate torque during every assembly step. Attention to detail is what guarantees stable hydraulic performance. As the assembly continues, every rotating and sealing component is carefully matched. Critical internal parts are fitted with high precision to reduce wear and improve efficiency. Quality starts long before assembly. Our key components are manufactured using advanced machining equipment. Every dimension is precisely controlled to achieve excellent accuracy and perfect compatibility. Critical surfaces are carefully ground and polished to achieve superior flatness and surface finish. This is the completed A10VSO hydraulic piston pump. With a compact structure, stable performance, and high-volume trick efficiency, it is widely used in construction machinery, industrial equipment, agricultural machinery, and many other hydraulic systems. Available in multiple models and configurations to meet different customer requirements. We focus on every detail to ensure every pump meets our quality standards before shipment. Before delivery, every hydraulic pump is tested on a professional test bench. Pressure, flow rate, efficiency, noise level, and overall operating performance are carefully evaluated. Testing ensures every unit operates smoothly and reliably. Reliable products begin with quality components.